Hey guys, what's going on? It's Hip Pause here with a quick kind of this is kind of a slash promotion slash walkthrough slash tutorial. I don't really know what to call this, but basically what I want to do in this video is highlight a tool that was shown to me for transferring character and animation data from UDK over to UE4. Now you can see here I'm in 3D Studio Max 2015, okay? And if anybody who's done UDK knows that they stopped supporting the PSK and PSA format and shifted over to FBX. So UE4 doesn't even use PSA or PSK, but UDK still does. So for anybody that's actually porting over a project from UDK and has a lot of stuff already done inside and using the ActorX format, which is again the PSK for skeletal meshes and the PSA for animations, can use this tool here to greatly, absolutely greatly improve your speed and how you're actually transferring everything over. Now I just want to give a fair warning, I may swear in this video. I may drop a few F-bombs, and I just want to make it clear that it is not in any way because I am angry. It is in fact the exact opposite of that. I'm so pleased that this is available that I might lose control of my vocal bowels, if that makes any sense. So what you can see here in the background is I got this little spider guy. He's crawling around. He's been going up and down the whole time. This is actually, I mean, obviously I created this, but the thing is what he's got here is this particular animation in the frame, right? So he's kind of crawling down. The mesh that he's crawling down is not here. This is like a really humongous character, as you can see by his relationship to the grid. Okay, he's a gigantic spider. Now there is one thing that I want to note. If you'll notice here, this was using the tool that I'm going to detail here. There's actually a bit of a problem in how it came in, and this might be in the actual the mesh data itself and not something that the tool's fault. But all of the UVs segments got split, and some of the faces got split on import. Now that's not, you know, something I haven't really explored this tool. In fact, I've only used it like once. But let's go ahead and just demo the tool here. So I'm gonna say new scene, new all. Now this tool is a script, okay? So what we do is we go run script, and in my scripts directory I have this ActorX Import. Now I'm gonna hit open here, and this pops up. Now this was created by Konstantin Nosov, or Nosov, Gildor, and here's a website here, www.gildor.org. Now if I go home here, I'll put the link in the descriptions for you guys can get this, but it's gildor.org, okay? And under here he has got the ActorX importer, and he's got some tutorials and stuff like that, but you can basically grab this here and that will give you this zip file, and in this zip file you want to drag it into this folder here, which would be Program Files, Autodesk, 3DSMax 2015. Just dump it right in the scripts directory. The reason you can put this anywhere on your computer, but just know that when you go to 3D Studio Max and run script, it does first check in that script directory. So if you don't want to keep, you know, navigating to it, just dump it there. So I'm actually going to, I've already got this done once, so let me see if a reset will actually clear that really quick. So let's do a full reset. Let's run the script. I don't know if it's going to clear the data. Okay, so it hasn't cleared the data, but I'll show you guys what's going to happen here. So what you do is you can say here import PSK. Now these are all of the things that I have created. You can see UDK, you know, way back in February of last year. I've got all this content, I've got characters, I've got, like, say here, we'll do a different character than the tarantula. We'll do this rat bot here. Now the Ratbot has a skeletal mesh, which is a PSK. He's also got textures, which I'm not worried about. He's got animations. Now the animations are a different format, that's why they're not showing up. So if I pop this open here and I just hit open, you can see here I am in 3D Studio Max 2015, and I actually have my character here. Okay, now what I can do is I can say come here and let's see if Ratbot here to the anims, and I can open the PSA file, and you can see that every animation in the PSA file, including the frames list, is actually here. Now what I can do is I can take any one of these guys, let's say hey power up, and I can load that track, and it's really quick, and now there he goes, he's doing his power up animation, right? Now again, it looks like the UVs and stuff and the smoothing groups might have gotten a little bit separated here. So in what I personally would, for me personally, I would not use this to transfer the mesh. Now it's hard that I don't want to give that advice as, hey, never use this, because what if you weren't the guy who made this, right? I was the guy who made this, so I have the original Max scene. So when I go to bring this into UE4, I'm going to export the FPX from my original Max data, which isn't triangulated. All the smoothing groups are set. Everything is, already good. But I would use this if I was working with something that had a lot of animations. For instance, like my characters or something like that. Because what you can do here is you can say batch export animations, and I just click that. It loads all the animations, it exports them. It's still going. Is it still going? Okay, it's done. And now if I come here, characters, Ratbot anims, boom. Boom, I mean done. So it's a really fast way to get this stuff done. Now there's nothing stopping me from just throwing this right into UE4. So excellent tool, excellent tool by this Gildor person here. Again, I believe his name, hopefully I'm not butchering his name, but it's Konstantin Nosov, or Nosov, again, I don't know how to really say that. Just a note that this probably, when you first open this website, will not come up in English. It'll come up in Pikmin, whatever that language is. I'm just gonna say it's the Pikmin language because I don't know what it is. I only know English. I'm a complete closed-minded fool. But you can just click up here. It'll say English right here. Just click it. It'll transfer the whole site into English. So, and that's it. That's all. I mean, you guys should know that you can just drag. You can just drag these into UE4. I don't even need to demo it. It works. It's 100%. It works perfect. So that's it. And I just wanted to promote that. And thanks for watching. Hip Paw signing off.